What is up, you guys? This is Maureen Malva here from reachbeyondthesky.com. And question I'll be asking today, or answering today, is legit work from home jobs with no startup fee. And let me just tell y'all a little bit about myself. I'm Maureen Malva. I'm 20 years old. Started internet marketing / affiliate marketing about a year ago. Struggled for about 3 months. Still sometimes struggle, but it wasn't until I plugged into the right mentor. But today I'll be answering the question: the legitimate work from home jobs with no startup fee. And something that I've noticed about working online is a very, 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 very great way to generate money, generate income, a great income. But it's I wouldn't say it's risky, but it's still in the gray phase right now. It's not black or white like going to college, getting a job, or anything like that. Wow, is the internet is billions of people are on the internet, so you can make a lot of money, but there's a lot of scams out there. And something that I've noticed about a lot of these no startup fees, systems, products, get rich quick things that are going on is a lot of them don't cost money to start up. But if you're looking for a legit way to make money online, start a business, be an affiliate marketer, branding, anything like that, it's going to actually cost you money. And I'm not saying that it's going to cost you thousands of dollars. No, I'm not saying that, but I'm saying that it is going to require you do a little bit of investment in yourself. So with that being said, I know this is not really the answer that you wanted to hear, but I'm only here to be honest with you. A lot of these jobs, work from home jobs, no startup fees, a lot of them are scams, and they don't really offer you any value. It's time to really get real with yourself. And if you're actually serious about making money, you would be willing to put down a little money here and there for your business, for your job, anything like that. And if you're the kind of person you're actually serious about making money, I'm only looking for those strong-minded individuals, because weak-minded people are going to be like, oh, well, she's lying, that's a scam. No, it's not. I'm only looking for those people that are really serious about making money online. And the first thing that you're going to need to do is separate yourself from everybody else. Okay, learn how to be different. All right, so read a lot of books. A lot of the good entrepreneurs / leaders / successful people, they read a lot of self-development, self-help books about leadership, about productivity, about growth, about goals, about they read all kinds of books that are going to benefit them, and that's to their growth. So read. The second thing, when it comes to legitimate ways to work from home jobs, is get a mentor. If you don't have a mentor, I can give you somebody, my mentor, actually, that's been helping me make money online ever since I first met him. All right, so get yourself a mentor that's already living the life that you want to live. And I'm not saying that you can copy off of them, but model off of them. All right, what they're doing, if they're doing is working, then hell, why don't you do it? Okay, it makes sense. All right, and the third thing is get you a system. Okay, a lot of these systems are going to say no startup fee, and then when you end up getting started, they're going to start having you pay. It's misleading. Why not actually tell you the truth before you get started? The truth is, a lot of these systems are going to cost you money, but I guarantee you, the best systems, they're going to cost you money, they're going to offer you value, and they're going to pay you back tenfold. But it's really up to you if how aggressively you want to work with the system, how consistent you are, and how much you dedicate and you give to that system. And that's just really truth. That's the real truth that I want to give y'all. All right, so those three things are the legitimate ways to make money from home. Read a lot, read books. What those books give you knowledge, okay? Get a mentor. If you don't have a mentor, I can get you connected with my mentor. And he's only looking for people that are serious about making money online, that really want to make life-changing results. It's not going to happen overnight, but I guarantee you, if you keep on with the things that he's teaching you, you're going to see results. You just consistent and don't be afraid to actually do it. All right. And the third thing is get a system. If you don't have a system, I'll give you the system that I'm using. It only costs $1 to start up. You can start up today, 14-day trial. You get in and you get to see if you like it or if you don't like it. All right. So with that being said, I just answered the question honestly. And like, comment, subscribe, and message me on Facebook. Get connected with me. I'm here to help y'all out, and I care about y'all. All right. With that being said, I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.